Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Jeep Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools: a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Park your Jeep on a flat surface and let the engine cool for about 15 minutes. Now it's time to drain the old oil. Get under your Jeep and locate the oil drain plug, usually a 16mm bolt, on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting the old oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it firmly. Next, remove the old oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen it, then unscrew it by hand. Be ready for a small amount of oil to drip out. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw the new filter on by hand until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, add the new engine oil through the fill cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Also, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.